The state government will this Sunday start giving away 1 million energy-saving light bulbs. Anna Bligh has launched the big Light Switch campaign, which will help Queenslanders replace their old light bulbs. The Premier joins us now live from South Bank.
Thousands of Queenslanders have seen the light and picked up their free energy-saving bulbs as part of the state government's $3.5 million Big Switch campaign.
Tell us, how much money can these new bulbs save Queenslanders?
Well, you could save hundreds off your household bill. Every one of these bulbs saves $11 a year, so the more you install, the more you save.
Well, it isn't just the money, is it? I think there's more important things. I've been told it saves the planet.
By replacing just 2 bulbs, each household can cut its greenhouse gas emissions by 144 kilograms a year.
The Premier's light bulb giveaway has been so popular, news agencies ran out within hours.
We've had a tremendous run on it this morning. We had a queue right out the door.
And Premier, I believe it's a bit like Willy Wonka's golden chocolate bar. There's a special bulb out there which could actually win somebody a car.
That's right, Kay. If your bulb glows green when you install it, you're an instant winner and you go in the draw for a hybrid car. Not a bad reward for saving the planet.